Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Twitter. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of X as you see. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here you click on clear cache. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.